Tired of sending messages that miss the mark? Let's unlock the secrets to flawless communication with Aisensy's message testing. First, navigate to your Aisensy dashboard. Select the message template you want to test. It could be a welcome message, a promotion, or any other communication you've designed. Look for the preview button, usually located near the edit or send options. Click it. This is your first checkpoint for ensuring your message looks exactly as intended. A pop-up window will appear, showcasing a preview of your message. Carefully review the text, images, and any dynamic content. Make sure everything is formatted correctly and that there are no typos. Now, for a real-world test, go to your contact list and choose a test contact. This should be someone on your team or a trusted friend who can provide feedback. Find the Send Test Message option. It's often located near the contact details. Select the message template you're testing and hit Send. Ask your test contact to review the message on their device. This confirms it renders correctly across different platforms and devices. Request honest feedback on clarity, grammar, and overall impact. Based on the feedback you receive, return to your message template in Aisensy and make any necessary adjustments. Fine-tune the wording, replace images, or tweak the formatting until you're satisfied. By consistently using Aisensy's message testing features, you can ensure that every message you send is accurate, effective, and delivers the best possible user experience. Happy testing!